Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to sell untradeable players in FIFA Mobile. And you need to watch this video until the end so that you know the secret, okay? So here, if we go to our My Team, we'll be able to see our players. Okay, and if we want to sell one of them, we'll just have to tap on the market option. Okay, this one at the middle bottom corner, and then tap on my players. Okay, as you can see here, when we tap this player, we can see the sell and purchase option here. Okay, but if we tap one of the players from the upper portion, we cannot see the sell or purchase button because we'll have to, try another thing in order to trade that player. So the truth about trading an untradeable player is not really true, okay? So if you want to sell or trade a player, just tap on the one that it is available for selling or for trading, okay? Because that's the list that you can do. And I think that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorial in the future. Bye-bye.